everyone, welcome back to our channel St. Xavier School Hardoi. I am Priyanka Singh, your assistant teacher, going to teach you one new chapter. Before start the chapter, if you are our new subscriber, please subscribe our channel, press on bell icon, like my video, share to your friends. So let's start our topic. Before start the topic, we required few things. One is map, your copy, your pen and some colors so that you can color your map. Okay, now as you people can see, which map is this? Yes, this is the map of our country, that is India, right? And which type of map is this? This one is a political map. We are having two types of map. One is political map, another one is physical map. Political map is what? A map which shows the boundary of the state, that is a political map. And physical map, a map which shows only the boundary of our country, only the boundary of a country, that is a physical map. So today we will use political map. Now after seeing this map, few ideas came in your mind. Which type of map is this? For what we are going to learn from this map? Yes, from this we are going to learn about the states and union territories. Okay, states and union territories today we will learn from this map. Okay, so states and union territories, as you people know that till the date we are having 28 states and 9 union territories, right? But do you know, since beginning it is not like the same. After many distributions between the states, now today we are having 28 states. Okay, so let's start about the state. What are that states? Okay, so our first state is our Rajasthan. Do you know, Rajasthan is the largest state of our country. Largest state means area wise in our country. Okay, and Thar Desert is also the largest desert of our country, is also situated in our where? In Rajasthan. Okay, now after the Rajasthan, which state is this? This one is our Gujarat. Very beautiful place. Okay, you can see it out. Few part, the above part is inland. Okay, Gujarat is the place from where our ocean starts. Okay, so the few part of Gujarat boundaries is shared in land and the rest part is in water. Means from here you can see it out, it's in water. Okay, now after Gujarat, come on this one. Which state is one? This is Himachal Pradesh. And what is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? It's Shimla. Okay, now fourth one. Which one is this? This is Punjab. And do you know, Punjab, few part of Punjab is in where? It's in Pakistan and rest part is in our country. Okay, now which one is this? This one is our Haryana. Okay, Haryana and Punjab sharing the same capital, that is our Chandigarh. Yes, Chandigarh is the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. Sixth one, this is Uttarakhand. Till 2000, Uttarakhand was a part of Uttar Pradesh, but in 2000 it was decided that Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand will form their own government, and Uttarakhand separated from Uttar Pradesh in 2000. Okay, and do you know that our oldest national park is also situated in Uttarakhand, that is Jim Corbett National Park. Okay, now our which one is this? This is Uttar Pradesh. You people already know that Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. And do you know, the maximum population of our country will found over here. Okay, it is the maximum populated state. Okay, now the next one is eighth one. This is what? This is Bihar. Okay, and what is the capital of Bihar? It is Patna. Okay, now the next one, the ninth one. Which one is this? The small one. This one is our Sikkim. Uttar Pradesh is the having the largest population, maximum population, but Sikkim having a least population. Okay. Now the 10th one. This is Assam. Okay. This, the boundary of this, you can see it out. It's a Assam. Okay. And do you know that what is the capital of Assam? Is Dishpur. 11th one. This one is Arunachal Pradesh. You can see it out. This complete one is in Arunachal Pradesh. And Brahmaputra river is also entered from Arunachal Pradesh. 12th one. This is a Nagaland. Okay. This one is our Nagaland. Okay. And what is the capital of Nagaland? It's Kohima. Now the 13th one. Which one is this? This one is Manipur. Okay. This one is Manipur. And what is the capital of Manipur? It's Imphal. Now the 14th one. This one is what? This one is Mizoram. Okay. This one is Mizoram. The maximum part is in, the maximum boundary is shared by Myanmar. Okay. The other country. Okay. And few part is in our, few part is our shared by our country. Okay. So what is the capital of Mizoram? It's Asbel. Now the 15th one. Which one is this? This one is our Tripura. Okay. Now the 16th one. And what is the capital of Tripura? It's Agartala. Now 16th. Which one is this? This one is Meghalaya. And what is the capital of Meghalaya? It's Shillong. Okay. Now you people know that Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya, these all states are also known as 7 sisters. Okay. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These all states are also known as 7 sisters. Now come on the next one. Which state is this? You can see it out. Very maximum boundary of Bangladesh is covered, is shared by this state. Which state is this? This is West Bengal. And what is the capital of West Bengal? That is Kolkata. And which sweets they like to eat? That is Rasgulla. Okay. Now which state is this one? The pink one. This one is what? This one is Jharkhand. Very good. In 2000, till 2000, Jharkhand was a part of Bihar. But it was decided in 2000 that Jharkhand will separate it from Bihar. Okay. And they will form their own government. Okay. Now the next one. Which state is this? This one is Odisha. Okay. Which state is Odisha? And what is the capital of Odisha? It's Bhubaneswar. Okay. Now the next one. Now which state is this one? Yes. This one is Andhra Pradesh. Previously it was, this part is also a part of Andhra Pradesh, but in 2014 it was decided this part will separate from Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Now the next one is this one. Which part is this? It's a Tamil Nadu. Okay. Which part is this? This is a Tamil Nadu. The last point of our country is situated in Tamil Nadu, and that is Kanyakumari. Okay. Now the next one. Which state is this? This is Kerala. Do you know maximum literacy, you can say it out, of our country will found in Kerala. Okay, means maximum educated people were found in Kerala. Now 23rd. Which state is this? This one is Karnataka. Okay, and the capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Okay. Now this one. You can see it out. Very big state is this. Which one is this? This one is Maharashtra. After Rajasthan, Maharashtra is the second largest state of our country. And what is the capital of Maharashtra? It is Mumbai. Okay. Now this one. Which state is this one? This one is Telangana. Okay. This one is Telangana. On 22 June 2014, it was decided that Telangana will separate from Andhra Pradesh. But till the date, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh sharing the same capital, that is Hyderabad. Okay, but Andhra Pradesh one more capital was proposed, that is Amravali. Okay. Now next one is this, that is Chhattisgarh. Till 2000 Chhattisgarh was a part of Madhya Pradesh, but in 2000 it was decided that Chhattisgarh will separate from the Madhya Pradesh and they will form their own government. Okay. Now this is our Madhya Pradesh. Many national parks, many national sanctuaries, you can see it out in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. And what is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? It's Bhopal. And then our last one, that is our 28th one. Which one is this? This one is Goa. You people know Goa is the smallest state of our country. Okay. Now let's come about our union territory. Okay. Before start about, as you people know that we are having 9 union territories, right? Good. Now before telling the name of 9 union territories, let us discuss something about our union territory. What is union territory? A union territory is a sub-national administrative division of India. Okay. And it is over there, people not elect their government, people not select who will be the minister, who will be the means is owner, means who will handle their place. It is elected by the president. Okay. Unlike the state of India, which has their own elected government, union territories are ruled directly by federal government. The President of India appoints an administrator and lieutenant governor of each state. The union territories are under direct control of central government. Okay, over there central government directly involved in every activity. Okay, now let's see it out our union territory. Till 2019 we had only 7 union territories, but in 2019 it was decided that Jammu Kashmir will divide in 2 parts, and that 2 parts will become a union territory. The first part is Ladakh. Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir become the union territories of our country. Okay. Now the third one is Chandigarh. We already explained. Chandigarh was the capital of Punjab and Haryana, and it is one of our union territories also. Now the next one, that is our national capital territory, that is Delhi. Delhi is also our national territories. Okay. Now this one, which one is this? This one is Daman and Diu. This part is touched by Gujarat, so this one is our Daman and Diu. And now this one is our Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Okay, Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Now the next one, which one is this? This one is Lakshadweep. Okay, this island is Lakshadweep, and it's also our union territory. Okay, now this one, this full island. Okay, this full island is also our union territory. And what is the name of this? It's Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, now the last one, which union territories is this? This one is Pondicherry. Okay, this one is Pondicherry. And do you know Pondicherry is divided in 4 parts. 2 parts is situated in Tamil Nadu, and 1 part is in Kerala, and the last part is in Karnataka. Okay. Now we already finished discuss all things about our states and union territories. Now few homework is for you people. Homework it is that you have to mention all states in a sequential manner, and after that in front of them you have to mention their capitals. Okay, then some more questions are there which you have to answer in your comment box. And what are that? First one is write the capital of each state. Then the next one is which state known as the 7 sisters. We already discussed Name the state sharing same capital. That also we already just now discussed. Write the name of famous dish and dresses of each state. Okay, these 4 questions is your homework. You try at your home. Now at place of this, if you are having any type of query about the topic, you can ask to me from the in the comment box. Okay, now again, if you really like my video, share to your friends. Like my video, share to your friends. Okay, thank you.